Hello, this is the first day of my Christmas time vacation. It also happens to be the day of the Northern Hemisphere winter solstice. This year, according to Google, it is supposed to happen on 10:27 p.m. Eastern Time, which happens to be roughly almost in about 14 hours. Let's compare a few tools. The first I'm going to use is the NOAA Solar Calculations spreadsheet calculator. You can go online, do a Google search, you'll find it. I just took it and modified it ever so slightly. Mainly, I added a second day because I'm interested in asking the question, according to the NOAA Solar Calculations spreadsheet, when is the solstice supposed to happen? So I just to be -5 because of daylight saving time. Okay, so the next question I have to ask myself is when is the solstice? So the sun declination column says where the sun should be located in the sky. And then it's starting to go back down. So we have to go and find the last entry for 85, which is 254. Thereabouts 57. So divide that by 2. We've got 28. And then we have to subtract that much. So let's go with 22, 24. Thereabout. I think that should be roughly about the middle. According to this, it is at 10:18. Close enough. Let's look at the next one. According to SunCalc, declination is right over here. So we have to go and find when it is 4:41, right around 16:01 p.m. today.
Now I have to go and find out when it goes back off of that. I'm going to have to go the next day, which puts it right around there, which is at 4:48 a.m. So it was 4, let's say 4 p.m. to 4:48 a.m.
That's going to be 12 hours and 48 minutes.
Divide that by 2, that's going to be 6 hours and 24 minutes. 4 o'clock and 6 hours is going to be 10 p.m., which puts it back at today, 10 p.m. 22, and we're going to add about 24 minutes.
So right about there should be the peak of the winter solstice, which is pretty close to Google. Let's try the next one. Let's try Stellarium.
Okay, so now I'm going to go and just for completeness, I'm going to just go with the same area. And we can use this location. Okay.
Now we have to go and locate the sun. And the one we're interested in is the declination. So it says 23.5. Is it going to be in a similar Okay, according to Stellarium, the sun exits 24.3 declination. I'll just hijack this one and I'll just create a temporary thing for now. At 15:03:15, which means I have to go find when it starts that. At 13:50:15, A1 minus A2, an hour 13. 2227 equals A8 minus A6. 8 hours. I find the 8 hours slightly interesting. If I clear the cookies, where does it? Stellarium Web. Stellarium Web, where is this server hosted? Centropolis, I think, is a good one. Poland. That would account for 6 of the 8 hours discrepancy that I can think of in Stellarium Web. I think I just found a bug in Stellarium Web. Well, how about that? So I am going to upload this long before the magical moment that the solstice actually occurs today, which happens to be in about roughly 13 hours and 20 minutes, roughly-ish, giving anybody and everybody lots of time to find my video and verify for themselves using whatever program that they want to use to verify that. And with that, I am going to see you in another video at some point soon enough. So bye for now.